close my eyes again.
Woo!
Let's see if I can hold my eyes open when it goes up.
Yeah!
See ya.
See ya.
Peace.
It's time to do it.
Let's go.
Round two.
Round
Round
two.
two.
$10. That's awesome.
What the hell was that?
Wait, hey.
Yeah, that's I can do this all day! I can do it all day! I need another drink!
No, you don't.
Damn, I feel good!
You gotta go to the pier.
I feel good! Hey, look, it's Joe Scrap Shack
Really?
at the end of the pier, yeah.
Oh my God, you didn't tell me that.
Well, that's overpriced fucking shit food.
Hey, that was awesome. That was smooth.
That was fucking awesome.
That was smooth sailing.
And we did it twice.
Can we do it a third time?
Damn, that was cool. I would do that all day long. All fucking day. That was fucking great.
That was cool.
That was freaking great.